Think about how much you use your hands. Most fireworks injuries cause serious damage to hands and arms. Many of these happen at family house parties, often a result of messing with fireworks. Make sure your fireworks are legal and follow the firework code. Never put sparklers in the hands of under fives, always keep a safe distance, and most importantly, if a firework fails, leave it alone. Use your head or lose your hand.
I just think fireworks are good crack. You can blast people with them.
I think fireworks are dangerous because one of my friends in school got their hand burnt off by a firework.
I've done it in the flat. Steal fireworks through his letterboxes now.
A firework went through my granny's letterbox and it caught under her curtains and she was very scared.
Lucky, get away. Love me sitting here now. Don't feel so brave now.
Illegal fireworks. Don't get your fingers burnt.